Hello and welcome back. Today our video is about coffee, but before we proceed, let us tell you a little background about human body. Adrenal glands are the organs situated just above the kidneys and help regulate hormonal mechanisms in our body. As discussed previously, all the organs are interconnected. So when a person consumes coffee, it quickly enters stomach and a chemical substance inside it, caffeine, is absorbed into the bloodstream, typically within 15 to 20 minutes. It then travels to the brain, where it begins its magic, telling the story of interconnection. The primary action of caffeine is to block adenosine receptors in the brain. Adenosine is a chemical that naturally makes us feel sleepy by slowing down nerve activity. When caffeine blocks these receptors, it prevents sleepiness and makes us feel more awake and alert. After blocking adenosine, caffeine boosts the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter responsible for feelings of pleasure and motivation. This explains why drinking coffee can improve mood. At the same time, caffeine stimulates adrenal glands, the organs situated above each kidney, which help to regulate hormones. Especially adrenaline, the hormone responsible for our body's fight or flight response. This adrenaline rush causes heart rate to increase, blood vessels to widen, and triggers body to release stored glucose for an energy boost, making us more energetic and focused. With adenosine blocked, dopamine boosted, and adrenaline flowing, one can experience sharper focus, quicker reaction times, and better concentration. Over a few hours, our body metabolizes caffeine. As its effects wear off, adenosine floods back, leading to a potential caffeine crash where fatigue returns. While caffeine provides several benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Too much caffeine can lead to side effects like jitters, anxiety, or insomnia. It was all about coffee. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.